friends, if you're new here, bienvenidos, hajimemashite, and my name is Hillary. So, just quickly before this video gets started, I want to apologize for the inconsistent uploads. I was trying so hard to stick to uploads every 4 days, but due to family issues, I guess, it's been 5 days. So I apologize for that. Thank you for understanding. I hope you'll forgive me. Okay, so a couple weeks ago, I did a Disney inspired makeup look, and that was like my favorite look that I've ever done. I was so proud of it. It was like my Instagram picture with most likes. So I kind of wanted to keep going on this Disney route. Let me know what you think below. But today I was kind of thinking of having a Mickey versus Minnie eye. So I'm just gonna try to get started. So as you can see, I have my base done, and I'm sorry that my concealer and foundation is like 3 shades lighter than I am because I got very sunburnt, as you can see, so we don't talk about that. But so obviously, so starting with the Mickey eye, I'm gonna make it this one. I want to make it red and yellow theme because, you know, Mickey wears the red pants with the yellow buttons. And so I think I'll be doing that. I'll probably use this James Charles palette because it does have, I think, the only yellow shade that I own right there. I think it's called B. So I will definitely be using that. So I did want to create like 2 separate eye looks. So starting out, I'm going to take the red shade in the James Charles palette. Actually, hold on. First, I'm gonna prime. I always forget to prime. I apologize. So I'm gonna do that off camera real quick using my base tape, hydrating primer, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we're primed and ready to go, like I was saying before, I'm gonna take the red shade and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Now with a fluffy brush, just gonna do circular motions and start to blend that out. And as you can see, we just wanna leave that center of the eyelid a little bit exposed. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a nude color and just try to blend that in with the red to make it, you know, seamless and nice. So now in the open spot, we're just going to take the yellow shade and put that right in the middle. So I just looked up a picture of Mickey Mouse to make sure that I was doing everything correct, and I realized that I was not. But, so, okay, well, I wasn't doing it correct because Mickey doesn't actually have yellow buttons. His buttons are white, and I was thinking that his buttons were yellow because his shoes are yellow. So even though this isn't really what I was going for, I still think it works because those are red and yellow are the 2 colors that he wears. So I think I'm just gonna make this work, and to tie in the white, I'm going to take like a very white shimmer shade and highlight the inner corner of my eye with that. So hopefully that'll pull everything together. And next, real quick, I just want to continue these colors down on the bottom lash line. So now I'm just taking the white shade, like I said before, from this LA Colors palette, which you can see me use in my last video, which there will be a card to and a box to click it at the end of this video. So please go watch that if you haven't already. But now I'm just going to take this top white shade and highlight the inner corner of my eye with that. this kind of flopped. It's not showing up at all, but I have a plan B. Now I'm gonna use this Midnight Masquerade, which is also Disney themed. It has this beautiful like white shade called Royal Ball, and it's not like in regular eyeshadow, it's more like a glitter eyeshadow. This palette is by ColourPop, by the way. So I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner. Okay, I think that looks super cute. I love that. Okay, so next I'm going to take a combination of gold glitters in the palettes that I have and put that on top of the yellow, but not a lot because gold isn't the color that he was, it's yellow, so I really just am trying to use it to make the yellow stand out more instead of cover it. So what ended up happening is that I put the gold shadow down, and it was just so pigmented that it did just cover the eyeshadow. But then what I did is I took just a fluffy brush with the yellow eyeshadow and just covered that, and it created like the perfect shiny yellow that I wanted. So I would definitely recommend doing that. Okay, so I really think this look needs a wing, but I am so scared to screw this up just with like an imperfect wing, but I'm going to try my best, and if I mess up, I can just do it over again. So it took a little cleanup, but I think I finally got a wing that I was happy with, and I'm just going to finish this eye look off with some mascara. So this is the eye look complete, but I'm not quite done because the last thing I want to do is put a little Mickey right here. So that's like just the 3 circles on top of each other. And like I did in my Galaxy video, I'm going to try to use the bottom of a brush to stamp the liner on there. But I don't actually have liquid like black liner like I used for the stamps in the previous video. So I will just try to use like a felt tip liner to put it on, but if that doesn't work, I might use eyeshadow. So we'll just see how this goes. Now I'm just going to touch this up with a little bit of concealer. So now I'm just going to repeat the same stamping process, but with the smaller stamp. So my idea for Minnie is kind of match this look, but with pinks and whites on this side, because Minnie is kind of known for her bow, and I think her bow used to be red and white, but I think now it's more pink and white. So I'm just gonna do pink and white because it kind of ties into the idea that I have later in this look. So now I'm just gonna take the hot pink color in the James Charles palette and do the exact same thing that I did with the red in this look, but on this side. So now instead of yellow on this side, I'm going to put white on this side. So now I'm just going to use the same white that I highlighted my inner corner here with over here. So next, in honor of Minnie's polka dot bow, I'm going to take a white liquid eyeliner and use the stamping method over on the pink just for some little polka dots. And to finish off this eye look, I'm just gonna put mascara on it, and then I'll draw Minnie on the same way that I did Mickey off camera. Okay, and finally, to finish up, what I did for Minnie's bow is after I stamped on the 3 circles, I just took a pink eyeliner and then drew like an hourglass figure horizontally on top of the big circle. So I think it's time for lips. And I was kind of thinking like split it down the half, do a red lip on this side and a pink lip on this side. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna pick out the colors that I want. So starting with the Mickey side of my lip, I have this red orange colored lip pencil, and I think that'll kind of match the red and yellow theme that I have going on. So for the Minnie side of my lip, I have this pink lip crayon, and I'm not sure how that'll look because it is kind of cheap and like it's like super dry. So I might take like a clear or light pink lip gloss to put over that, and I think that'll kind of look cool, like the matte side versus the glossy side. So we'll just see how that goes. So I called in my sisters to see what she thought about the lips. She said that she couldn't even tell that it was 2 separate lips, so I'm gonna get rid of the orange red and just replace that with my red lipstick. So I personally think that looks a lot better. I think that's it for today's look. Let me know what you guys think. Which side do you like better? Which side would you wear? I don't know, I like them both. I don't think I can really pick. I think I like these colors more, but I like this design more. So tell me what you think down below. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And let me know what kind of content you guys are into. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please leave them down below. I love like hearing you guys. And I have an Instagram account where I'll be posting pictures of this look. There'll be a link to it down in the description, so please go give me a follow. And I think that is it for today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.